Hi friends, Sarah Ikalowicz back here on your screens to introduce an all-new video series from us at KCDPR, breaking down the bottom line. In this series, we'll be taking some of the hot topics we're blogging about weekly and digging into the details of what makes these topics worthy of attention from PR and communications professionals like ourselves. This week, we're revisiting a blog post from this exact week in 2021 about the IPO frenzy that was expected to take place that year and examining 2024's IPO outlook. A question related to this topic that we often see as PR professionals is, how can you tell if a company is getting ready to go public? There are a few dead giveaway moves companies can make to signal a coming IPO, including things like hiring a new CFO who has IPO experience, or other big sudden changes in the senior management team, a sudden implementation of new policies and procedures that happen to align with the standards required by the stock exchange, and streamlining by dropping any segments of the business that don't align with the main business purpose. Check out which of these moves the companies we highlight here have made, as well as our predictions for which spaces will see a ton of growth in 2024 in this week's Bottom Line blog. What you need to know about potential fintech IPOs and growth in 2024.